Welcome to Data Science class. I am Vivin Arana. Today we will look at Python basics. So let's start with opening up a Jupyter notebook. First, we have already installed everything that we need in the previous video. So let's go and open Jupyter notebook. If you have not installed yet, I'd say go back to the previous video and start installing. I'm going to go to my documents folder. I have created a folder called as Python files, and this is where I will save all my files. It's good to organize your files at a particular place so you can go back to them later. I'm going to go here and I'm going to start a new Python 3 project. I'm going to call it first project. Great. Since we're not going to do much in this one, I'm going to just go over some of the things that we need. Now you can, whenever this cell is green, that means it's active. So I can go ahead and do things like print hello world. And if you want to run it, you can run it using this, or you can run it using shift enter. That's some of the shortcuts that are available. If a cell is blue, that means it's not active. You can press enter to activate it. If you want to remove it from the activation mode, just escape. If you press F, it will start finding stuff, searching stuff for you when it's in unedited mode or in not the editing mode. Other things that you can do is some of the things available in your shortcuts here. What I want to learn is how do I add comments or how do I add headers. So what you can do is you can escape, press 1, and this will create header 1. If you want it header 2 is what you type, 3, 4, 5. So depending on what you want, you can probably look at keyboard shortcuts here about the headers that are available. You can also have markdown language, which with M. So I can go back to my cell, remove everything, escape, and press M. This will remove the line, code line, and it will treat it as a markdown language. So how do you type something? So I can say, let's close this. I can say this is a header with markdown, so I'm gonna say star, which is for capital cell, enter, shift enter. So go to the next line and it will appear as a header cell and not as a line of code. So this is how you can add all different things to your notebook. Now going forward, we will look at more into dive deep into coding and how do we understand Python and all these different things available to us. So get ready and open up your notebook.